Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Trench Tech. Today we're taking a look at the Wyze Cam. So the Wyze Cam is a $20/$25 IP network camera. It is wireless and it's 1080p. Let's go over some of the things on the box. It says night vision, 14 days free cloud recording, 8x digital zoom. It's the Wyze C1. It does Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN on the 2.4 gigahertz band, and a bunch of data there. 1080p full HD, two-way audio, and motion detection. Let's go ahead and get this thing cracked open. We got the camera itself. It's wrapped in plastic. We've got a USB cord, or USB-A, USB micro, and that doesn't have a switch. This is a picture of a home with, I think, the speaker behind it. It's got all the information about the camera on the bottom. We got a magnet here, a setup button, and then a micro SD card slot. So we got a little metal plate, it says Wyze on it. A little double-sided tape. A USB micro cable with A on one side, micro on the other. And then a wall wart adapter. It has their logo on it. And let's see if we can get this to focus here. There we go. Has a model number. My eyes are not that good. 5 volt, 1000 milliamps. So 5 volts, 1 amp. Let's get it paired. I guess I should show you this too. The base is magnetic. So the purpose is that you can put this double-sided tape up on the wall or ceiling or whatever, attach this disc to it, then you can put this wherever. The cable is about 6 feet. It's my wingspan. Light lit up on the back. Like I said, I have the setup button. So now, let's go ahead and bring this up. I just searched Wyze in the App Store, so we'll go ahead and just download it. If I do the right side. So this base does swivel, which is kind of nice. Then you can install it kind of wherever you want. And it swivels. Okay, so it's open. Allow Wyze to access your location while the app is in use. Sure. Allow notifications. Sure. So it looks like we need to sign up. And we need to put our email address in here and our password. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And then we need to agree to the terms. Okay, so once we have our password in there and our email, it's saying that it sent us a verification code that we need to enter. So we'll go ahead and enter that. Then we just click OK. So now we're greeted. We've got a plus button up here, plus button in the middle. We have device, notifications, and my account. We'll go ahead and we want to add a device. Please tear off the plastic film. I don't want to. Connect your Wyze to a power outlet and wait 20 seconds until the yellow indicator light flashes. Flashing. Hold the setup button until you hear a beep and ready to connect.
Ready to connect.
Oh, great. I heard ready to connect. So now we need to pick our Wi-Fi and enter our password. Let's enter that in.
Ready to connect.
So we'll click next. Remove the protective film on the device or on the lens. We already did that. Scan the QR code on the screen with the Wyze Cam by holding this code 5 inches away from the Wyze Cam lens.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
I heard QR code scan, please wait. Connecting, please wait. Connection can take a few minutes. I heard QR code incorrect, or I heard connected. Connection has timed out, please rescan QR code. I guess let's wait. Connection failed. Retry. Alright, push the button, hold.
Ready to connect.
I heard ready to connect. Let's put in my password again. Scan the QR code.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
I heard QR code scan, please wait.
Setup completed.
Ooh, it worked that time. Camera name. Trench. Tech. Start. Device name. Uh-oh, I pushed a button. Device name. Share. Click here to see. A new firmware version is available. Update. Upgrade. Please do not power off your camera during firmware upgrade. More waiting. Your firmware is up to date. Let's go back. Look, it's me. It's got the date time. It's actually correct there at the bottom, so it must have pulled from my location. Change this so you can, I guess you can't see because I have this here. There we go. Now you can see both. So we've got a sound button here, which I'm assuming allows us to hear the sound. Hello! It is a little delayed. Hello!
Hello.
We have a record button, a voice button, a take photo, and an album. We've got a playback and a time lapse. No micro SD card installed. We have a button for night vision, so I guess we can force night vision on or off regardless of it being dark or light. And we can make it full screen. Oh, and this is only SD apparently. So we can click. How do I? There we go. HD. Please wait. I don't really see a difference. Well, we'll get some raw footage so that you can see what that looks like. We're doing about 32 kilobytes a second on SD, and if we switch it to HD, it's doing 115, 120. So apparently this is the name of the camera. It looks like just the MAC address to me. So again, we can go back. It shows us a still. We can add multiple cameras to the same account, and then we can also share the camera. So share the device with other users. We can put in their email address and invite them. It says, we will send a message to share to your shared user through the Wyze app. Users can view and accept shared invites under notification messages. So it says under notification and then messages where you can see invites. Turn push notifications on and off. You can apparently type a message. I don't really get what that's for. Oh, I guess if you have messages, you can mass delete them. And then alerts, let you see it on a calendar view. Alright guys, let's show you a few more things here that I'd missed before. So we're inside the camera itself, and we're going to click settings. And this is where you can turn on all the different features. So we can turn on motion detection, sound detection, smoke detection, CO2 detection. Well, I guess CO. I assume it's, I don't know. Anyway, CO. Alert scheduling. So we can schedule, we only want it to be during certain times. So if it's a business, you can have it only alert at night. Night vision mode. Okay, so that makes sense. We can have it off, auto, or on. Camera status, light. So you can turn the light off in the back. We can flip the image 180 degrees. We could do local recordings on the SD card. And it's telling us that there's no SD card installed. We can check for updates, get basic information, and sync the time. So basic information just tells us the network that it's connected to and the firmware and the MAC address. Gives us the name, which there's a pencil by it so we can change it, which I thought we'd already done it. There we go. Check for firmware. Make sure we're on. Make sure you're on the right one. So motion detection. You can do sensitivity. Sound, same thing. Smoke is just on or off. CO is just on or off. And then I got a push notification that it's sensed motion. So we'll make sure that it's not phoning home, or if it is, we'll let you know. Let me know what you want to know about this camera or any of the other cameras that we're reviewing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the future updates. Again, if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. Have a great one.